Hello. So this is Gabriel once again, and you're welcome to Vision Tech Hub, where I give tech tips. Okay, so today I'm going to show how to search online efficiently. We are in the information age where information is abundant. Information is everywhere. So I don't think if you are doing something, you are learning, you are in school, or you are doing some research, you should be having some difficulty in doing your search online, right? So I'm going to show some tricks that you can use to do your search online. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that I think is very common that we all know is using the quotes, the quotation. So whatever you want to search online, right, you can put it inside the quotation mark, and that will tell the search engine or the internet to search for web pages that are containing the exact queries or questions you ask or words that you searched, right? So let's say I want to search for how to write a book, right? So how to write a book, right? Put this in a quotation. So I hit enter, right? So my search should contain everything about how to write a book, how to write a book, complete step. You see, how to write a book, how to write. So you see how to write all over the place, right? So that is one of the tricks. You can put what you are searching for inside quotation marks, right? And that will be very helpful. Okay, so what is the next trick? The next trick is using this word site, right? You can use the word site. So let's say I'm looking for a certain textbook. I'm looking for a textbook, let's say cloud computing textbook that I'll read for my course. So site, you put that in quotation mark, right? Then you type cloud computing essentials study guide, right? So I can also specify the file type. Now add .pdf to it, right? I want to download the PDF format of the book I'm looking for. So I hit enter, and this will go online and look for cloud computing textbooks over the internet for me. Let's say I'm looking for a specific book, so I can search for CompTIA cloud computing essentials plus exam study guide, right? Exam study guide, right? So I put PDF, put this here. Now it should be able to, yes, so this is it, right? So now I can go ahead and download this book, go and study for my course, right? Okay, so that is it. So you can use site, right? Make sure you put a space here. You can use site. Now another word I can use is the wildcard or asterisk, right? So let's say I'm searching for something online, but I've forgotten a specific word that I want to use to do the search, right? So let's say I want to download this book, The Psychology of Money, but I've forgotten that there is psychology over there. I can't remember, so I can write there, right? Then I put the wildcard character or the asterisk, okay, the dash of money, okay. Then I can leave it like this. Now when I do this, this is what happens. The search engines looks for all words that are like in common, and that's how I will say it, that are similar to what I'm trying to search for, right? So it went and then it plays in, it will be putting in, filling in words to help me find what I'm looking for. So as you can see, I didn't write the psychology of money, but you see, automatically filled it in and try to help me find the book or the article or the information I was looking for online, right? I can also look for, let's say I'm searching for two things, so we can use the or and then and, the and, or and end logic. So I can use or and end. So let's say I'm looking for two things, okay? I want the either. So let's say I'm looking for React, okay? React, then I can use or in caps, or Python tutorials, right? So it will give me one. So it searches and finds, right? So it's giving me React tutorial Python, right? I can also use end. So I want the two of them, so I can use end, React and Python tutorial. So it went ahead and now it's giving me React and then like courses that have React and Python tutorial at the same time, right? React and Python all together. So those are some of the tricks you can use. Okay, so I can use another word. Another trick you can use is using what we call file type. Okay, I can use the word file type. So let's say I'm looking for cooking. So let's see how to prepare Ghanaian jollof, jollof rice. Really? Jollof rice. Then I can specify file type. Now put PDF, right? So look at how I did it. So I write how to prepare Ghanaian jollof rice and I'll file type PDF. So I hit enter. Now this should find me, you see, PDF files that teach how to prepare jollof rice in a Ghanaian way. So as you can see, one is here, Ghanaian jollof rice. You see PDF at the top. The next one to Ghanaian jollof rice, PDF at the top. All these are PDF files. So if I click on it, it will download a PDF file for me. So let's click on this one. You see that I download. You see, so it brings me here, and this is a nice book that I can download and go and prepare my food. Please, if you go and cook some poison, don't blame me. Alright, so that is one trick for you. And which other word? Okay, so another word I can use is before and after, right? So let's say I'm looking for a certain textbook, right? I'm looking for a textbook, but I want a textbook that was written after 2025, right? So I can type Python tutorials, then I'll write in caps after. Now put the year over there. So let's say I want after 2024, right? So this will go online, fetch all Python tutorials that were published, right, after 2024. So I have 2025 here, how to learn Python from scratch in 2025, free Python 2024. See, so it will be giving me all the tutorials that were created after 2025. Now I can also use before. So if I use before, it was created before. So before in caps, right? So hit enter. Right, so all this were created before 2020. So you know the search engine still brought up some of the 2025, but no, I think you get the idea, right? So those are some of the tricks you can use to search, do your searching online. Okay, so now I have a bonus. If you like reading and you want books that you can read, right? So there's this website where you can go and download textbooks. Okay, the website is called pdfdrive.com. So let's go there, pdfdrive.com. This site, right? Any book that you are looking for, right? Any book, every book that you like about whatever you are learning. So let's say I am into software engineering. Okay, software engineering. I hit this. Now this site will give me a whole lot of books about software engineering that I can download. I have software architecture, right? How do I download this? So I click on it. See, it's new. So I click on it, I come here, download. You can also create an account, right? You can create an account with them. Now this thing will load. Let's wait for it to load. Here is it. Click on, you can come here. You can download a EPUB or PDF or Mobi. So I download PDF. Click on this, and the book will load right here for you to download. You see, you can download this, go and read, and then have knowledge about what software engineering architecture. Alright, so Charlie, those are some of the things you can utilize online, and you are welcome. Please share so that someone might find this useful. Thank you once again, and we'll meet again.